Okay, hi. This is the last video of this blog post where I set the RetroPie for my Phat Pocket Arcade mini game console based on Raspberry Pi Zero and small QVGA mini display. And the final thing to do, the default theme for RetroPie is not very friendly for this mini display, so I'm gonna change it to something that's been designed for the small display. And themes are available from the configuration menu, the ES themes option. Select that. And I get an error. Okay. Oh, I did get an error, but it's still proceeded, so I guess it's okay. Let's install one of these themes for small screen. I'm trying to locate one that I read about from the web. It's for, oh, there it is. There's two. There's this GBZ35 and GBZ35 Dark. So let's try this GBZ35. So I'm gonna install that. Gets the theme from the internet. And now, once I've installed the new theme, I can go cancel from this menu, the ES themes, and then using the select button, go to the main menu and then to UI settings, and here there's a theme that I can select now. The default is called Carbon, but now I can select this theme that I just installed, and then I can select also change some of these other options that affect the how the UI works. So, for example, if I want to make the transition from screen to screen in the EmulationStation / RetroPie, change the slide so it will be a little bit different, and instant meaning that it will be fast. There will be no fancy transition between the screens. Actually, I kind of prefer that, so let's do that. And then the game list can be detailed, or there can be a video, automatic, basic. I'm going to use basic to keep it very simple. And finally, start on system. I don't want to start with any particular system. At this point, I could choose one of the systems that are available when I have games installed on them, but right now I don't have, so I'm just going to select none here. And now when I go back, the themes would change like so. So let's exit, and we can see that the now it's much more small screen friendly. This larger font compared to the screen, you can easily actually read it now, or you can more easily read on this small screen. So I'm gonna keep this theme for if I'm gonna use my console as a generic RetroPie multi-emulation game console. But in the next blog posting, I'm gonna set up my own game, Little Knight Arthur, for this, and for that I'm gonna put it in the mode that it will directly boot to my game. But that will be the videos on the next blog post. So until then, bye.